welcome. I'm Dr. Jenna Scott with Southeast Natural Medicine, here for another educational video. Today's topic is the health benefits of zucchini. All right, so I am here in front of one of my 4 zucchini plants. They're growing really well, and I have a ton of zucchini, trying to get really creative as to what do I do with them. So I thought I'd get on for a minute and share some of the health benefits of zucchini. Okay, so before I go into the health benefits, I wanted to show you something interesting. I'm gone for 4 days, and this was the size of my zucchini, okay? They look cool, but they're not as tasty when they're like this. So if you're planting zucchini, make sure you harvest them when they are this size. They're gonna taste a lot better. But in 4 days, this guy, 4 days ago, it was this big. And I left for a few days for the holiday and came back and it turned into this. So I'm calling this Goliath because clearly this thing is monstrous. So again, if you're doing them yourself, if you're growing them, harvest them when they're this big. Don't let them go this long, okay? Okay, so now on to the health benefits of eating zucchini. Okay, so zucchinis are really nutrient rich. They're very high in vitamins A, C, and K, some of the B vitamins, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese, okay? They also have antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are molecules that protect the body and specifically the cells against oxidative stress from free radicals, okay? So our bodies are always being bombarded with harmful chemicals, substances, and that really creates inflammation and oxidative stress. So we need antioxidants to combat that. Well, luckily, zucchinis are really high in the lutein and zeaxanthin, okay? They can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, stroke, heart attack, or the complications of heart attack, as well as diabetic retinopathy, okay? So that's a problem with the retina in the eye due to chronic uncontrolled diabetes. Another great thing that zucchini can help with is gut health, okay? Zucchini is really high in dietary fiber. Dietary fiber feeds our beneficial gut bacteria, and in turn, these friendly gut bacteria create something called short-chain fatty acids, which then in turn reduce inflammation and is really good for people with irritable bowel syndrome like IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, okay? And then lastly, heart health. So eating a zucchini can promote good heart health. The high fiber can lower cholesterol, can help you feel full longer, can help with weight loss, insulin resistance, diabetes, and so on. And all of that promotes a good, happy, healthy heart. Okay, so thanks for joining today. Just wanted to get on for a minute and share some of the great benefits of eating zucchini. So if you can this summer, try to find some good zucchini, saute it. You can make zucchini bread, you can make muffins, you can eat it raw, just dipped in some salad dressing if you want. Really tasty that way as well, in a casserole, however you want to do it. Maybe put a link in the, put a comment below and let me know how you're cooking with zucchini this year. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for joining, and I hope you learned something about the great health benefits of zucchini. If you can, try to find some zucchini this summer. They're plentiful. You just have to open your eyes and go to the grocery store and you will find it plentifully. Find a farmer, get some fresh homegrown zucchini like these guys. Again, you will find these in the supermarket, not these, okay? So that was all for today's video, and yeah, thanks for joining. Have a great rest of your day.